Good morning, students. Today we start with the new topic, that is magnetic effects of current. It's a very interesting and an easy topic to do. And in order to learn about the magnets, we should recall what you studied in junior classes. Magnet is something which attracts substances made up of iron, nickel and cobalt. So the iron, nickel and cobalt, the substances that get attracted by magnet are called magnetic substances. Anything which is not attracted by magnet is non-magnetic. And every magnet has got certain properties. A freely suspended magnet will always come to rest in north-south direction. Every magnet will have two poles, that is north pole and south pole. Then poles of a magnet can never be separated. If you are cutting a magnet, the pieces of the magnet which are formed will have two poles each. So what I mean to say is that poles can never be separated. Another important thing is that like poles, they repel each other, whereas unlike poles attract each other. So a north pole will get attracted by south pole, and south pole will be attracted by north pole. If there is north and north pole coming together, they are going to repel each other, and same goes for the south poles. If they are coming together, there will be force of repulsion between them. The area around the magnet is defined as magnetic field, and when we sprinkle a lot of iron fillings around a magnet, they will align themselves in a certain manner on tapping. And we say that magnetic field lines are the lines along which the iron fillings align themselves, and magnetic field lines have got certain characteristics. Now when we talk about these characteristics, they always emerge from the north pole and they merge into the south pole. They are in the form of closed curves all around the magnet. So if magnet will have field lines all around it, right? And no two field lines will ever intersect with one another. Whenever that happens, if at all that happens, it would mean that a magnetic compass is pointing in two directions at the same time, which is not possible. So when we say that magnetic field lines never intersect, it is one of the key characteristics of magnetic field lines. And wherever there is crowding of the field lines, that means the field is stronger in that region. And we have basically two kinds of magnets, the ones which are natural and the ones which are man-made. And we'll be talking next about the differences between the permanent and